Okay, this video is on a test for gases and how we test for gases in the lab. First gas we want to talk about is hydrogen gas. Okay, we need to know some properties about hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is a light gas. Hydrogen gas can't dissolve in water. Okay, hydrogen gas is also a combustible gas. So this is how we test. We will put a lighted spleen that is on fire, at the mouth of the test tube, not inside, at the mouth of the test tube containing hydrogen. If hydrogen is present, we will get a pop sound. So that's how we test for hydrogen gas. Put a lighted spleen at the mouth of the test tube. So that's how we write it. And then if hydrogen gas is present, there will be a pop sound. Next gas we want to talk about is oxygen gas. Now, oxygen gas is found in air. Air contains 21% of oxygen. Oxygen is denser than air. Oxygen, just like hydrogen, can't dissolve in water. And oxygen causes oxidation. It's one of the gas responsible for rusting. Okay, so how do we test for oxygen gas? In case of oxygen gas, we use a glowing spleen. Now, a glowing spleen is a spleen that is not on fire. It is simply glowing. Okay, we insert a glowing spleen. In this case, we insert a test tube. If oxygen gas is present, the glowing spleen will rekindle or relight. So it will burst into flame, rekindle or light when oxygen is present. Okay, next gas that we are learning is ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is a very distinct gas. It is pungent. It is less dense than air. It dissolves readily in water to form ammonium hydroxide, which is always known as aqueous ammonia. Now, this is an alkaline gas. So this is the only gas that you know, that you need to learn that it's an alkaline gas in Sec 4. Okay, so basically what happens? Place a moist red litmus at the mouth of the test tube. So this is alkaline gas. We place a red litmus. If ammonia gas is present, the red litmus will turn blue. So when ammonia gas moves up, touches the moist red litmus, it will turn it blue. And eventually, as it goes further up, the red portion here will fully turn blue. Okay, chlorine gas. It's a World War I gas. It's dense, it's heavy. It's a choking smell. It goes down to your throat, it stays there. It is poisonous. However, chlorine gas dissolves in water, and this is commonly used in swimming pool to kill bacteria. So, chlorine gas, what does it do? Chlorine gas will bleach both red and blue litmus paper. So if you put a blue litmus paper there and a red litmus paper there, both of them will turn white. They will bleach. We use the word bleach, okay, for chlorine gas. And the last gas that we need to learn is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is denser than air, heavier, dissolves slightly in water. It's an acidic gas. So carbon dioxide is always used in carbonated drinks. In Coca-Cola, 7-Up, you have carbonated. So how do we test for carbon dioxide gas? We use something known as lime water, or commonly known as calcium hydroxide. So carbon dioxide goes here, and it is bubbled into lime water. Now, if carbon dioxide is present, white PPT will form in lime water. Try not to use the word chalky. Try to write white PPT forms in lime water. Another method that we can use is to use a dropper to pump up the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas goes into the dropper, and then what we do is we bubble the gas, we press it, bubble the gas into the lime water, and the white PPT will form in lime water if there is carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so basically that is all.